In this video, we're going to discuss how to add sections to an existing book project. At the bottom of your section navigation, you'll see the Add New Sections button. Click it and you'll get a menu with all the different ways to add content. At the top of the menu, you'll see Project Actions. These are special features for bringing content into your book. First is Create New Book Part. This is how you separate your book into different parts like Part 1, Part 2. There's a lot of functionality behind book parts, so we'll cover that in detail in another video. Next is import from manuscripts. This is one of the most common questions we get. How do you bring in sections into a project that already exists? When you use import from manuscripts, you can add sections from a Word document into your existing book. The nice part is you don't have to import the entire document. When you select the DOCX file, Lacuna shows you a selection menu. You can pick exactly which sections you want to import. This is really useful if you have a manuscript you've been working on for a while or a continuous document. Instead of importing everything and deleting what you don't need, you just import one section at a time. The third option is import from another Lacuna project. This is different from having master files like in some other programs. Instead of managing separate files, you can create a template project and use that to bring in sections, presets, and everything else into a new book. Everything you import using this feature will come over exactly as you had it. So the text, the images, the font styling, and any presets you created. You don't have to recreate them from scratch every time. Below Project Actions, you'll see section types organized by front matter, chapters, and back matter. Notice the little star icons on the right side of some items. If you hover over them, they'll tell you what they are. These stars indicate special pages that have custom behavior built in. Whenever possible, you should use specific section types that match what you're creating. For example, if you're adding a dedication, pick dedication from front matter. If you're adding an epilogue, pick epilogue from back matter. The reason this matters is that each type has built-in functionality. A table of contents knows how to generate links and page numbers. A copyright page knows its front matter and won't get automatic indentation. And it'll also hide itself from the table of contents because it's not typically added. Let's also quickly talk about the two chapter types. Numbered chapters automatically get renamed based on the chapter numbering style and where it is positioned in your book. Unnumbered chapters will not get any automatic numbering, and it's up to you to decide how to name them. Both of these types will automatically get drop caps, indentation, and chapter images that you set in your Edit Styles page, but all three of those options can be customized to your liking. A couple common use cases for unnumbered chapters are things like prologues, epilogues, or sneak peeks. You'll also notice untitled sections and full page images in the list. Untitled sections don't have any special behavior. They're basically treated like front matter or back matter without any specific features. And the last type is a full page image. Full page images are great for transitions or visual title pages. They literally won't render anything but an image, so if you need a full bleed image between sections, that's what you'll use. There's also another way to add sections. In the right-hand menu bar, there's a small icon of a document with a plus symbol. That will open the exact same menu as the Add New Sections button. Now let's talk about device-specific sections. Sometimes you want different content for your ebook versus your print book. If you right-click one or more sections in the section navigation, you'll see Set Device Type. Here you can set a section to ebook, print, or any. When you set a section to ebook, it will only appear in your ebook exports and preview window. It'll be completely ignored when you generate your print book. The same thing works the other way. Print sections are ignored in ebooks. The default is any, which means the section appears in both, and you will not see an icon to the right-hand side. If you want to have the same section in both formats with small differences, the easiest way to do that is to right-click the section, go to Set Device Type, and click Split to both device types. Lacuna will automatically create two copies of the section for you, one for ebook and one for print, and now you can edit them separately. You can also use the clone feature to clone into an EPUB or clone into a print, and it does the same thing. And then one last thing, if you're in the print preview mode and you click on an ebook only section, the preview won't render and it'll give you a message telling you that the section is not compatible. The same thing if you're in an ebook and click a print only section. It's just a reminder for you, but it will not be rendered that way.